I'm Conor Fitz-Bilic and I'm a second year electronic engineering student at Swansea University. I'm here to talk you through your modules of first year. We'll have 6 in each semester, first of them being engineering analysis, which is basically just your A-level maths, but to the higher level, but it starts off very simple and works out from there, which is differentiation, integration, stuff like that. We'll then have digital design, which is just converting between binary and hexadecimal numbers, and you get to use software such as Simulink, which allows you to build circuits and then test them. You'll have circuit analysis, which is led by one of my favourite lecturers, Paul Holland, and he'll just talk you through resistor networks and semiconductors, all this simple stuff. We're introducing new stuff like low pass and high pass filters. This all builds on A-level physics, so it should be okay with that. And then have functional or smart materials, which takes you through more of the materials based in electronics, so what semiconductors are made of, like silicon and stuff like this. And that all helps further your knowledge, which then builds on in the second year. During your second semester, you'll have engineering analysis 2, which is further developing your math skills to build you up to your university standard, you could say, but this is just setting the foundations. You won't do any more maths based specifically over the next 2 years. This is just to sort of fill you out. You'll then have signals and systems, which is one of the harder modules, I'd say, but it's good once you get to grips with it. It's just working out time domains of waves and stuff like that. You'll have instrumentation and control, which allows you to design circuits for a specific application. This would be operational amplifiers, which turn 2 inputs into an output, for example, and then you build on that. A good example of this would be traffic lights. You then have analog design, which is the principle of building a circuit and how you implement it into a controller, etc. Then power engineering is probably one of the harder ones throughout your whole degree, which is you'll have this in first year and in second year. This is just the principles of power, like torque, power factors. This is led by Grazia Tollesini, which is a very influential member of the electronics community within Swansea. You'll then have a new module, which is new to you guys and to me, after first year to do, which is Introduction to Electromagnetics, which is set to a foundation for second year, because that is one of the harder modules of the year. But because they set you up in the first year, it makes it a lot more comfortable. My personal favourite modules would be the practical ones, such as digital design. And in this year, my second year, I'll be doing a micro mouse project, which allows you to build, code, and design your own automated robot, which you take away with the uni to fight each other, which is very fun. The timetable at first is quite intense, about 15 hours of labs and about 13 hours of lectures. But once you get into the routine, it's much easier to get on track with that, and all the lectures will then help you with your labs, so it's very good to attend them. Yeah, I personally do about 2 to 3 hours a day of independent study if I can, just to try and further my knowledge and help me apply it to my practicals.